Hi, my name's Siri Buchanan, and in this video we're going to explore how to create distressed textures in a fluid art piece using the new Marabu Alcohol Inks in conjunction with the Marabu Graphix Aqua Inks. Marabu alcohol inks come with a precision nozzle. Simply pierce the tip with a pin for precision applications of the ink. For this project we're going to use clayboard. This is an absorbent surface that's perfect for working with alcohol inks. I'm going to apply some texture using moulding paste, simply squeegeed through a shape or stencil. In this case I'm using one of the Marabu circular stencils. I've already applied a layer underneath here and let it dry, and now I'm applying a second layer. As you can see, there's different dimensions. We have two different types of material now on the surface. We have the clayboard, which is very absorbent, and we have the moulding paste, which is minimally absorbent. The Marabu alcohol ink is going to act differently on these two surfaces. On the clayboard, which is very smooth and absorbent, you'll find the inks will flow very easily. Now on the minimally absorbent moulding paste, where you've created texture, you're going to find colour will pool in the nooks and crannies and give you some very interesting contrast to the clayboard surface. Once the inks are completely dry, you can texturise and distress the surface using sandpaper and steel wool. You can be quite vigorous on the areas that have the moulding paste, but be careful where you have the clayboard, as it's not quite as durable. On this piece, I've sanded the edges of the clayboard and rounded them off to give an additional distressed look to the piece. Once you've finished sanding the piece, you can then use the aqua ink, which works beautifully on the clayboard surface, which is absorbent. Using a dip pen or a brush, you can create abstract detail. After the aqua ink is completely dry, you can distress it further by lightly sanding it with either sandpaper or steel wool, and this will pull the piece together and give it that overall distressed fluid art look. I hope you've enjoyed watching this fluid art project video using Marabu's alcohol inks and aqua inks, and for more information visit our website or follow the links below.